Yo, what's up guys? So this is a recap video for two trades that have been holding for this particular week. So these are trades that I also analyzed in the weekly market analysis that is on Monday or Sunday rather, on the weekly market open. So the first trade is the USD JPY. So I'll go over to show you what we were looking at. So on this particular trade, USD JPY on a higher time frame, so the market has been bullish on this stretch overall. So and that is 2 days ago, the market was pulling back to this previous level of structure. So as you can see from this point on, so this was my entry point, and what I was looking for is again extra confirmations just to make sure that the trade is in line with my conditions. So at this particular point, we also had the 1 hour demand zone, at the same time a 50 EMA rejection. So this is where, and also again as an additional point, this zone also had the 1 hour FVG, what we call the fair value gap. So my pending order was that this particular point, stop loss below, I think it was 39.40 pips, thereabouts. Then the take profit was 1:3. Basically the risk reward ratio was 1:3. So trade execution perfect, following the rules, risking 0.5%. And yeah, so the trade just hit the take profit, and within some few minutes later on, CPI news just happened, and the USD JPY just reversed with this bearish candlestick. So from the MT5 dashboard, you can see this is the trade USD JPY. It was a buy entry at 144.7, and the take profit was hit at 145.46. The trade closed at what time? 3:05 actually. That is, I think, after the New York Open. So, and I think, yeah, this is if I can be able to show the trade levels. All right. Yeah. So, but in summary, that can I be able to show the trade? Yeah, the trade is 3. This is a trade is 3. So this was the entry point, a retest of this structure, as well as a 1 hour demand zone, which is a rally base, rally demand kind of demand, 50 MA rejection, then stop loss of around, the entry was here, stop loss of around 40, was around 40 pips, then take profit of risk reward ratio of 1:3. So that trade just hit to take profit, and yeah, $1,500 on it. The other trade that I want to review is recap on is GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, so from the higher time frame structure, you can see that the market has been bullish on a general view, bias. So what I was looking for is buys, and coming down to the 1 hour time frame, so there was this swing over here. So from this point to this point, let me hide the drawings. So from this point to this point, so what I did is I just pulled off my Fibonacci. So from this, I think it was here to here, yes, like that. And if you can see, this fib zone coincides with the 50% retracement. So this zone here was a 50% retracement level of the Fibonacci. So going down to the lower time frame, I usually execute on the 15-minute time frame. So at that particular point, I might even got lower. Actually, for this trade, I got lower than 15-minute time frame. It was actually on the 5-minute time frame. But now, not just trading from the 5-minute time frame. So you want your lower time frame to align with the higher time frame confluence. So like the lower time frame has to be in sync with the higher time frame, and as well as the structure. So what I got this particular point is a double bottom, a break and retest. So my entry was around this zone. So stop loss below here, which is around how many pips? Let's see what's the stop loss. The stop loss was around how many pips? The stop loss was around 40 pips, yes. And take profit was a risk reward of 1:2, so I was looking at around 84 pips. So GBP JPY, so the trade has taken so long. Actually, it's been quite some time. I think it's the trade was executed when, I think that is on Tuesday. Yeah, so Tuesday, and today is no, I think yeah, it was executed on Tuesdays. Yeah, that is yesterday. So so the trade has been running quite slow, and just on the open of the New York session, the trade was able to hit the take profit. Again, I was looking for price to reverse on this 4-hour supply zone, because, well, this previous zone was a very big sell-off. So I wouldn't want to hold for 1:2. I usually target 1:3, but I wouldn't hold it for more than 1:2. So that's the reason. That informs the reason why I was looking for 1:2, and that trade again hit take profit. So yeah, so that is it. I'm hoping that you'll be able to pick a thing or two from these particular trade recaps. Keep trading, keep trusting, and I wish you all the best. So again, I can show you on the dashboard. This is from my MT5 account. So this is the trade GBP JPY, and I was risking five. These are $100,000 accounts. So I was risking risk of 500, and take profit was 1,000. For the other GBP USD JPY was a risk of $500, and take profit of risk reward of 1:3 means take profit was $1,500. So that's it for the day. Wish you keep watching the videos, keep following. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, comment down below. See you on the next one. Bye.